right, so complementary and supplementary. Complementary, supplementary. So complementary is what we learned on Thursday. Complementary is two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So complementary adds up to 90 degrees, right? And what does 90 degrees look like? A right angle. But you have two angles, right? So complementary adds up to 90 degrees. Now, what is supplementary? Supplementary, I heard it before, are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Now, what does 180 degrees look like? I asked for complementary, Gio. You gave me supplementary. So 180 degrees looks like a straight line. So supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180. So here's angle A, here's angle B. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. So supplementary are two angles that add up to 180. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. The hardest part is figuring out or making sure you know the difference between these two. Complementary, supplementary. Because they'll mix them up. And they may or may not give you a picture that goes with it. So you have to make sure that you understand complementary means 90, supplementary means 180. So here's one example of supplementary. Level 1. Let's say this is 105 degrees and this is X, right? This would be the super easiest of them all. 105 degrees and X. So what equation would I write down for this problem? X equals 85. What equation? Good. And then to solve it, minus 105 minus 105. X equals, what's 180 minus 105?
95.
75 degrees. So that would be like your basic level, right? But here, not basic. All right. What equation did you guys write down?
5x plus 8.
I like it. He did some math before writing the equation, which is fine. So he put 2x plus 3x, got 5x, and then 20 plus 15 and got 35. So he simplified. He took it one step further. 29? No, not 29. Yeah, 29. I was doubting myself for a second. Okay, so x equals 29. Yes? Sorry.
Yes.
What are the measurements of the angles? What would be the measurement of the angles? Without a protractor, you don't have a protractor in front of you. So how would you go back and tell me, what is the measurement? Let's call this one A and this one B. So what would be the measurement of angle A and what would be the measurement of angle B?
Is A 58?
Is A 58?
Oh no, wait. A is 70?
How would I do it? I would plug it in. So 29, plug it into x. So 2 times 29 plus 20, that would be for A. And then 3 times 29 plus 15 would be for B. So 2 times 29 is 58. Plus 20 would give you 78. And then 27 carry the 2, 87 plus 15, 7 and 7, 12 carry the 1, 8, 9, 102.
I got it.
Did I draw those correctly? Does this look like 102? Does this look like 78? No. But did I draw them correctly?
Yes.
No.
No.
Is 78 acute or obtuse?
Oh,
Acute.
never mind.
Acute. Is that angle acute or obtuse?
Obtuse.
That's how I knew it. At the end of the day, I did not draw them correctly. Are you okay? What's the issue?
I don't know. I'm trying to find like what I'm confused about.
Do you understand where we got 29?
From the X.
Yes. So solving for x, right? Then using that information, you plug it back in. So you do 2 times 29 plus 20. So you solve for it. We get 78. And then this one's 3x plus 15, so you plug it in. So if I tell you what x is, you use it to solve for it. It's like geometry with algebra, all in one. All right, let's try. Let's see if my drawing is better this time. I doubt it. I'm making these up as I go. Oh. I guess I can't do anything else. Sorry. Well, let's just do 60 then.
Did you give us a hard one?
No. I was trying to make it harder, but I can't. Which is fine. Okay, what equation would you do?
X. The x over 3 plus 12 plus 60 equals 180.
Yep. 72. So minus 72 gives you 108 equals x over 3. Now what do I do? I'm going to do times 3 times 3. Oh, gosh, Miss Lamelli. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 324. Gross. So how would I find the measurement of the... This actually is pretty easy to find the measurement of this angle. Angle A. What is angle B? Angle B is 60, right? So what would angle A be?
108? No. 324 is about.
Well, you could do 324 divided by 3 plus 12, but this number is really easy. 120. It's 120. Because this line, what does this line mean? 180. So if I already gave you 60, what's left over? 120. This is actually a lot easier than the one we just did over here. Because this one you got to plug in. This one you could do a simple 180 minus that. All right, let me give you one more problem to do on your own, and then I'll get back to you. Let's see. Oh, let me do this one. Okay. Yeah, we can do this. 2x minus 20 and 2x plus, let's do 60. I have no idea what that's going to give us.
Did the angles give you just x by itself? Or are you just solving for x over here? No. So what do you need to do? 2 times Exactly. Okay, now I have both of them done. And then they need to add up to what? 20.
Okay, cool. Third period. First question.
Second step.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, what do we got? What do we got? What do we do?
30 and then 110. What? I didn't get that. It doesn't.
What happened? What did I do?
I don't think it adds up.
All right, let's see.
I thought x equals 30.
So 4x. Then what did you guys do?
Minus 20 plus 60.
I put negative 20 plus 60.
I just did 4x plus 12. I did it wrong and 4x plus 40. I got, yeah. And I got minus 60.
All right, let's see if we get this part.
I think I did it wrong. No, mine adds up to. Mine adds up to 80, but I did it.
Oh wait, did you guys get 4x 140 at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, no matter if you did whatever you did here, if you combined this and got 40, if you didn't combine them, but you ended up with this part. We're okay here? Okay. So divide by 4, x equals 35. Oh, I was scared that this wasn't going to be a nice number. I feel like, ooh, what if they divide by 4 and they get a weird number? Okay, so x equals 35, right? We're okay with that? We understand how we got that? Cool. Now, angle A and angle B. So, 2 times 35 minus 20. What's 2 times 35?
70.
70 minus 20.
50.
So that means that angle A is, no, just 50. 50. Because it's 2 times 35,
I think you did it wrong.
70. Well, yeah, you can't judge it by my drawing. Because I'm making up the problem as I'm writing it down. So I'm not thinking, if I were to do this, like level 1, yeah, it's easy for me to make sure that numbers match, right? Obtuse, acute. When you're talking about these problems, and I'm coming up with them in like just my brain, not drawing them 100% accurate. Okay, what's 2 times 35 plus 60?
70 plus 60 is 130.
And at that point, you could use this number to just subtract by 180 and get this one. Because you know it has to be equal to 180 degrees. All right, are we okay? Okay. Okay. We don't have enough time, but we're going to get started. Okay, your map. I would like you to keep them in a very, very, very safe place because I'm going to ask for them back when you finish your test at the end of March. So this one, it's hole punch. You can put it in your notebook, but when you finish taking your test, I'm going to ask for it. I'm going to ask to see it when you're done taking your test, so do not lose it. Gary, I'll go around. Give a second.
And then my rate, I just stared at it for like. I know, I'm trying to find what it adds up to.
All right. Here we go. Ladies, gentlemen, number 1. You're going to find the complement and the supplement of each angle. What is complement short for? Complementary, add up to 90. What is supplement short for? Supplementary, meaning 180. So you have 2 problems in one. If you read the word complement, that means it has to add up to 90. If you read the word supplement, you know it has to equal 180. So I want to know, what is the complement of 35? What do I have to add to 35 to go up to 90?
65. 55. So,
No, 65? Oh.
Woo. 35 minus 180.
Now, when you read the word supplement or supplementary, that's 180. So I would take 180 and minus the number that they gave me. The way they make this hard is for the fact that you have to memorize what is the difference between complementary and supplementary. And borrow. What is the difference between complementary and supplementary? That's the challenge.
I'm getting targeted.
Wait, for B, like the next one down, do we have to add them both and see if they're complementary or supplementary? Okay. Can we do it in our head?